What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Jaff Man. I'm your host, Jaff. Now, today I just want to talk about PC upgrading your gear, the components. I, for example, built this Evolve X last year. Here's my build video. But it's been almost a year, about 10 months in, and I'm really wanting to upgrade. But I'm trying my best to hold out and not give in to the jitterbugs. I have some jitterbugs that is compelling me to upgrade my system right now because my Adobe Premiere timeline rendering and exporting takes for bloody ever on this 6700K's 4 cores. Now, I was very tempted to get an 8700K or a 9900K until last week I heard about AMD's new launch, and I've kind of decided it's best to wait, give it a month or two, let the market saturate, let Intel die down a little bit, and we'll take it from there. Now, as a PC enthusiast, it's very hard not to fiddle with your computers. I've got these three ML series fans that I want to swap out with some of the case fans that are on one of the radiators. I've also got a DDC X top because I'll show you in a different shot here. My DDC pump is all the way at the bottom. I don't like it that they're separate. It's not a good use of space. I had to buy a damn new DDC X top. This top will end up becoming waste, but I'll probably use it as a funnel for a fill hole, although I already had an old X-Res 140. So I'll probably end up selling it. The master race, as some people refer to it as, is bloody annoying because unless you're really wealthy, or you don't even have to be that wealthy, huge heaps of disposable income, it's always hard to stay on top. For example, I might have a newer case, this Fantex Evolve X. The 6700K in my system is 4 years old. The 1080 Ti, I'm not ready to upgrade. But as I'm making YouTube videos, I find I need more processing power and I need more cores. And for that reason, I am probably going to upgrade in the next few months. What will I upgrade to? It probably won't be Intel this time round. It's probably going to be more likely a Ryzen 3700 or 3800X because for $300 roughly, you're going to be able to get an 8-core or 12-core monster. Why would I want Intel? Intel, I don't even know if it's going to be relevant after this new AMD launch. So if you're planning to upgrade your system, I'd say hold out. And don't be an Intel fanboy. It doesn't pay to be an Intel fanboy for 90% of us. What is the point? Go with whatever suits your budget and whatever gives you the best bang for your buck. One of these ML series fans I bought secondhand for £11. The other two Amazon warehouse deals, £16 each, as opposed to £25 each. Between three of them, I've saved roughly £35. That's a massive amount. That's enough to pay for this X-Top, which I also bought when eBay had their 10% price win voucher on. So there you go. So if you're thinking about getting a new processor, wait for AMD's new 3rd generation processors to flood the market. You'll probably see a massive dip in Intel prices as AMD catches much of the deserved limelight. Secondly, motherboards. When you're going to be getting your new AMD, if you do like me, I'd suggest you hold out for a good used motherboard. And you might be thinking, why would you want a used one? Firstly, it's going to be a hell of a ton cheaper than the new X570 boards, and I'm probably going to end up with a Maximus Hero board which has all the features an enthusiast may want. Now, currently you can get one of those boards for about £200, $250, and I suggest if you wait till the X570 launch, wait till the market's saturated, a lot of people will be getting rid of their top tier X470 boards, and it will probably be more than enough for 90% of us because we're all not going to need PCIe Generation 4. Now that brings me on to the next point, SSDs and storage. If you've been following the prices, you would have noticed SSD prices are coming down. And if you're patient, and I hope you are like I will be, I guarantee you with the release of Generation 4 NVMe and SSD drives, those prices are gonna come down a hell of a ton. And if you wait for the new generation to come out, do not be an early adopter because it never pays to be an early adopter. For who are you being an early adopter? Why give these companies all your hard-earned cash? For what? What do they give you in return? Use. As long as you're clever with your purchases, buying decisions, you'll get the best value plus the best use out of the components you buy at any given price point at the time of purchase. So that was a bit of a rant about upgrading your computer and why you might want to hold out, wait a little while, especially in this time of the year. I'd say give it about 2 months. Let the new product saturate the market. Let the new generation 4 PCIe, NVMe and SSD drives come over and take over the market. Everything else will be cheap as hell. Big fat spinning storage drives of 4 terabytes and above probably won't change their prices that much because they're still needed and there's no replacement for them because SSDs haven't got those big capacities massively available for the mass market yet. So that was just some consumer advice about why you might want to hold out on getting a new PC, getting new components, and I hope it serves this. I hope this information goes a long way into you making your buying decisions. And I'm just going to get these parts out of the way. So that is it for this video. If you found it useful, talk to me in the comments. And if any of you are considering upgrading, share your opinions, your ideas, what you thought about what I had to say. And as always, please do hit that subscribe button, give me a like. It goes a long way for me. And I will catch you guys in the next one.